Hi guys! Sa video na ito, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba mag-present ng video na may audio sa ating Gmeet o Google Meet presentation without uploading our file or video file. So kung makikita natin dito sa Google Meet kapag nagpe-present tayo, makikita natin dito sa Chrome tab, dun lang tayo nakakapag-share ng audio. Pero kapag dito tayo sa Windows and entire screen, the audio is disabled. So hindi siya pwedeng present na may audio kapag nakapresent ka through window or entire screen. You can only present your presentation with audio through Chrome tab. Through this video, tutulungan ko kayo kung paano kayo magpe-present without uploading your file or video file. So let's get started. So ang kailangan lang natin unang gawin is punta tayo sa chromewebstore.google.com. We will just type local file here para hanapin itong video player for local files. Kapag nahanap na yan, add to Chrome lang tayo. And then, add extension. Click lang natin siya, itong kulay blue. So, makita natin yung video player, nandyan na. Ang gagawin lang natin, next step is just to click this folder symbol na icon na to. Ayan, to find our video presentation, kung ano ba yung gusto nating i-present. So, we'll just open it. So, kapag open, magpa-play siya agad. So, we will pause it first. We'll go back to 0. And then, we will go back sa ating Google Meet. So, let's just click this share. So, makita natin dito, narinig na ng Google Meet ang ating tab, which is the video player natin. So, i-click lang natin yan and then share. Kung makita natin, naka-share na siya, we will just play it. Marinig na siya ng ating mga participants natin. So, we'll just play our video and then that's it. So,